Hello, Black Hawk Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here. Today I want to show you what you'll be doing with your computer to imagine and plan your winter art project. So these are the 2 steps in the design process we'll be doing. Of course, as you're imagining, you need to look at your lyrics so that you know roughly what you should be searching for. Before I show you how to search, I want to show you some results that I got when I was reading your results and thinking about what I might do for my art. So I found these when I was searching, this Santa on the house. I thought, man, I could totally draw that myself. Then I found this Santa in a sleigh made from a paper plate and just loved it and wanted to maybe try that. Then I was thinking about the thump, thump, thump that you hear on the roof and how the reindeer hooves are really what can make that thump, thump, thump or that pitter patter. And so I found a drawing of a reindeer that I thought maybe I could use to create all the reindeer that I could then attach to my sleigh. And then I was also thinking about, let me show you what I was thinking. At the end of your song, I better go, go, go to bed, and something about maybe it's just a dream. And so I thought it would be really cute if we did a picture of you sleepwalking on your house. And we could even draw this house and then have you sleepwalking up there. I thought that would be a funny way to interpret your art. And you could do any of these ideas. You could also come up with your own. I would really like it if you could come up with your own. So after you finish reading all of your lyrics, then you can come up here and click this plus button, and your cursor is automatically in the address bar up here. I want you to type bing.com. We're going to go to bing.com and we're going to do a search right here. The first part of your search needs to be art projects for kids, and then you can put in your specific keywords. So maybe you want to do Santa's sleigh. Please come up with your own idea. Do not just copy mine. Okay, so I'm going to give you permission to come up here to these different tabs and go to the Images tab. And then we can take a look. Here's an excellent, I think it ends up being a video possibly of how to draw Santa's sleigh so that you can just draw it. Here is what looks like a 3-dimensional sleigh that you could totally make out of just some maybe cardboard from the steam room with some construction paper and then drawing your reindeer, maybe using a different resource to actually draw your reindeer. Something like this maybe to help you draw it. Maybe you can find a YouTube video to help you draw your reindeer, whatever you decide to do. So when you finish with your researching, that's when you take your blue paper that I'm going to give you and you do your blueprint. Your blueprint goes on your blue paper, and that is a drawing to the best of your ability, a sketch of what your art will look like when it's done. And I need your blueprint to include the list of materials that you need to do your project. So to do the imagine and then the plan. The plan is very important. I need finished today a list of materials to make the project that you come up with a very basic sketch. It can just be the best of your ability to draw it, a basic sketch of what it will look like when it's done. Okay, so that's your assignment for today. Please ask if you have questions and go ahead and hop to it.